Hey guys, welcome back. My name is Rumi and today I'm going to be sharing with you my body shop haul. Yeah, as you guys can see, this is quite a big box and I'm really excited to show you what all I have got. So this was from their Christmas sale and I really look forward to their Christmas sale because they have a lot of awesome stuff during that sale at really good prices. So this is going to be a long video, so grab your cup of coffee, tea, juice, whatever you prefer, and let's get started. Now let me go ahead and open this package for you guys. And now let me go ahead and show you one by one what all I have got. Okay, so first of all, I see my receipt. It has the list of all the items that I have ordered. So the first one is this soothing almond milk and honey gift box. Now let me go ahead and show you what all is there. I really love the packaging. It's such a great gift option. So here they have a loofah. Nice. So next they have this almond milk and honey shower cream for sensitive and dry skin. So this is one of my husband's favorite. He really loves this because it's so mild and also it is not that girly, you know what I mean. So it has that fragrance which I would say anybody can use, so it can be unisex. So yeah, that's what I love about it. It's very soft and gentle on the skin as well. So next, inside the same gift box, they have the almond milk and honey body butter. So this is how it looks, and this is 6.9 ounces or 200 grams, and this is how it looks from inside. Now let me just go ahead and tell you about the texture. It's very smooth and it got very beautifully absorbed into my skin, and wow, it smells exactly like the shower gel. I really like it, so I'm sure he's going to love all these things. Next up, in the same gift box, they have this almond milk and honey exfoliating cream scrub. Now I have used their mango body scrub but not this one. The mango one was pretty nice. I really liked it. This smells amazing as well. Oh wow. Let me know in the comment section below if you guys want a full review of any of these products. I would be happy to do that. Next up, they have the almond milk and honey hand cream and it is in 1 ounces. So yeah, those were all the products which came in the almond milk and honey gift box, and this is going to be my husband's New Year gift because he really loves the shower gel, so I'm definitely sure he's going to love all of these. So yeah, if you guys have never tried out Body Shop products, or if you want to gift any of your loved ones a particular range, I would say this is going to be such an awesome gift. They are going to love it. So yeah, that was that. So the next thing which is coming to my hand is this beautiful gift pack, and it is their winter Jasmine collection. So this is a seasonal collection. Now let me go ahead and show you what all they have inside it. So I really like the I guess this is cotton or jute bag. I really like the bag. Now let me go ahead and show you what all is inside this gift bag. So the first thing which comes into my hand is the winter Jasmine shower gel, and this is 250 ml or 8.4 fluid ounces. Oh my god, it smells divine, exactly like a jasmine flower. I really love the fragrance. It's not too much, and yeah, I'm definitely excited to try this seasonal shower gel. So next thing which is inside this gift bag is their winter jasmine body yogurt, and this is 6.91 ounces or 196 grams. I really love the packaging. Oh my god, it's so cute, right? Now let me go ahead and try this for you guys. So this absorbs beautifully into my skin, and oh my god, this smells like fresh flowers, fresh jasmine flowers. I really love it, and definitely this is going to be my favorite, I suppose. So the next thing which they have inside this gift bag is Winter Jasmine Exfoliating Sugar Body Scrub, and it is in 2.11 ounces or 60 grams, and this is how it looks. Again, awesome. I love the smell, and yeah, it gets easily absorbed against the skin. I really love the texture, and I have not yet tried it, but yeah, definitely would love to. Last but not the least, they have their Winter Jasmine hand cream, and this is how it looks, and it is in 30 ml or 1 fluid ounces. I love their hand creams. Last year also I got their seasonal favorites, so I was really looking forward to what they have this year, and yeah, I would say again, smells beautiful like a jasmine flower. And look at the packaging, guys, isn't it cute? So yeah, those were all the 4 products which came with this gift bag, and I'm really excited to try this. Next up is again a gift bag, and it is their warm vanilla little gift pouch, and this is how it looks. Now it has a small button just like the previous one. Now let me go ahead and open it for you guys. Now let me go ahead and show you what all this gift bag has. Now the first thing which comes into my hand is this warm vanilla shower gel, and I have tried their vanilla shower gels before, not this one, but yeah, this smells exactly like vanilla ice cream. Oh my god, I really love their shower gels, and I'm really excited to try this one. So next up they have the warm vanilla exfoliating sugar body scrub, just like the Winter Jasmine had, and wow, smells like vanilla ice cream. I would love to eat this. I'm kidding, guys, but yeah, it smells amazing. So this has the texture of sugar, and it smells amazing. Wow. And this is again in 2.1 ounces or 60 grams, and this is how it looks. Isn't it beautiful, guys? Oh my god. Next up I have the warm vanilla body yogurt. Look at it, guys, it's so cute. Love the packaging, and it is again in 6.91 ounces or 196 grams. And do I need to tell you? Oh my gosh, love it really. Can't wait to try it. So beautiful. So next up, last but not the least, they have the warm vanilla hand cream. Really excited to try this. This is again in 1 ounces or 30 ml. So yeah, this is very easy to carry in your bag or purse. Again, smells amazing just like its counterpart. Next up, I have this limited edition Zesty lemon body yogurt, and this is how it looks. Look at it, guys. Doesn't it look amazing? Wow. And it smells exactly like fresh lemons. Oh my god, it's so fresh. I really love it, and I'm sure I'm going to be enjoying it thoroughly. Now last but not the least is this ultimate British Rose gift pack, and I'm really excited for this one. Actually, I had ordered their shea butter ultimate gift pack as well, but by the time I placed an order it was already stocked out. So yeah, I couldn't get that one, but I was really looking forward to that one. But that's okay. I got this one, right? Now this is the Glowing British Rose Ultimate Gift Bag, and I really love the packaging. Oh my gosh. Now let me go ahead and show you what all I have here. So the first thing which comes into my hand is, can you take a quick guess? Yeah, it is their British Rose Eau de Toilette. I really love this Eau de Toilette. I had it, but I finished it. It smells so fresh, so divine. If you love roses, I would say definitely go ahead and try this. You are going to love it. Yeah, it's so beautiful. If you guys have watched my fragrance or perfume videos, you definitely have seen this and you know that I love this one. So next up I have the British Rose shower gel. I have used it so many times and I really love it. So fresh, so beautiful, so mild and delicate on your skin. So yeah, I can't praise enough for this awesome Body Shop product. I really am a big fan of their British Rose collection. So next up they have, oh my gosh, the British Rose Exfoliating Gel Body Scrub. Wow, this is how it looks, and this is 250 ml or 8.9 ounces. Smells heavenly. Oh my god, it's like you are in a garden full of fresh roses, and this is how it looks. I can't wait to try it. Oh my god, this is such a luxury product, I would say. I really love their body scrubs and I'm really excited to try this one. Next up they have the British Rose Body Yogurt, and this is how it looks, and this is again in 6.91 ounces or 196 grams. So this is completely vegan, guys. Smells just like fresh roses. Oh my god. Yeah, definitely going to enjoy this. Next up they have the British Rose Body Butter, and this is in 50 ml or 1.7 ounces, and this is how it looks. Again, smells amazing, really. So next up I have the British Rose Hand Cream. I have used this quite a lot of times and this is one of my favorites. I really love it. This is again in 30 ml or 1 fluid ounces. So that was that. So that was my huge Body Shop haul. I hope you guys have enjoyed watching this video. Don't worry, if you're interested in any of these products, I will link them in the description box below for you guys. Don't forget to check it out. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, don't forget to hit that like button, share it with all your friends and family, and subscribe to my channel. Also, if you have not yet followed me on my socials, I will link my Instagram and my Facebook page in the description box for you guys. Don't forget to check it out. I'm super active on my Instagram. Go ahead and follow me so that you don't miss on any of the fun. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Until next time, bye bye and have a beautiful day ahead. Bye.